So that's all the air out of the sediment bowl. We can shut that one. So the fuel comes down this line from the tank through the sediment bowl and back along this line to these two filters. So we want to purge all the air out of the system. So there's bleeders on top of each filter. So we'll open those up. And that one. You should see some fuel coming through there soon. There we go. That didn't take long. Just let all the air come out of there. And shut it again. And wait for this next one. Yep, there it is. So we'll close that up. So that's purged all the air out of the filters. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. There's no water in there, it's nice and clean. And have a look down, you can see through the top here, there's no mice nest or anything in there, so the air filter's good. Alright, positive earth I believe for these. Fingers crossed. It doesn't seem to be getting fuel yet, so I'll crack these injectors and see if we can get some fuel pumping out of there. Because I think there's probably an airlock in there, so we'll try that first of all.